Doing a cabin filter in a 2021 Jeep Wrangler. To the glove box. I'm going to lower the glove box down by pushing this piece of plastic up and this piece of plastic past it. What that's going to allow you to do, it's going to allow you to drop the glove box all the way down like this. And here's the door for the cabin filter right here. These tabs here, you squeeze these together, you can pull the door off. Okay. The other side has like an insert in it. Okay, it's kind of hard to see. You can see the little insert down there. Just pull the filter out. And like this. This one uses 2 filters, or 2 filter style. Alright. The one I have to replace it is the 1 filter style. And when you go to put it in here, this one has an arrow on it. See that arrow right there? That's an airflow arrow. Airflow is always going to be down with this filter. Now the downside to this 1-piece filter is you're going to kind of have to smash it in there. Probably going to need 2 hands to do that. You kind of try your best not to deform the filter. Okay. Let me go ahead and pause the video. Use 2 hands. Once you get it started, you can start working its way in there like this. All right. Work it all the way in there. Like that. How to turn it around. A little trick. 1-piece filter, 2-piece filter, it doesn't really matter. Okay, the 2-piece ones are a little nicer. I have a link in the description box for the filter, but we're gonna get this other side in first, like that. And then lock it in there. It's kind of tricky to do, but you can get it. And then all we have to do is close the glove box. Now there is this damper here on the side. What we're gonna want to do is let's go ahead and just disconnect it. You look at it. Should have done this first probably, but it doesn't really matter. So you just slide this thing up. It's a little tab, and it comes right off. I'm gonna put this right in here like so. Okay, have it hanging down like that. Glove box door will come off the hinges here. It just goes back on like this. Okay. And we're gonna close it. It'll hold itself, and then we'll come over here and just snap this back on like that. And you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you hit the like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, and hope to see you again in another Jeep Wrangler video.